Hello guys, how are you all? As you know very well that in my last video we read about the different features and the meaning of a democracy. So in short, we just completed the first part of our chapter is what is democracy. So these are the three different things which we read to clear what is democracy. The three different things are meaning, features and the conclusion. Clear? And with the conclusion we just find out the exact meaning of a democracy, that in the democracy people are having equal vote, equal rights, we must respect the laws, we must respect the rules, and all these things we read about by making a comparison with different countries and the different system of a government. Clear? Now today we are going to start about why is democracy. Why is democracy? Up the student when just come in the ninth class, they start making uh, demand from the parents that pa we need scooty. Then the question arises from the parents, why you need scooty? Why you need your own vehicle? Clear? अब तुम कैसे बताओगे कि तुम्हारे लिए स्कूटी कैसे ज़रूरी है? यू जस्ट टेल अबाउट द पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट्स नो. बट अगर पेरेंट्स ने नेगेटिव बता दिए कि स्कूटी आ गई तो बेटा घूमोगे बहुत. क्लियर? सो इन दिस वे, when we just want to find out the exact why, the reason of why, when we just want to come on the conclusion, then we are going to see about the two sides, as every coin is having a two sides. No, similarly a particular thing is having two phases. One is the correct one, or you can say that one is in the favor and other one is against the particular thing. Clear? So in this wise democracy we are going to read about the two different aspects. So we are going to read about arguments against the democracy and arguments in the favor of democracy. Arguments against democracy means we are going to read about the negative. That means what are the negative impacts of democracy, or what are the negative sides of a democracy. Arguments in favor of democracy means we are going to see about the positive sides of our democracy. Clear? First we want to talk, today we are going to just complete this negative aspects of democracy. Just use your mind. You can just find out that what is the exact negative impacts you will have in a democracy. कि यार सब कुछ अच्छा ही तो चल रहा है, लीडर्स हमारी मर्जी से आ रहे हैं, गवर्नमेंट रूल लोगों के लिए कर रही है, लोगों के थ्रू कर रही है, एंड एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग ऑन अ गुड वे. नो, but somehow we are having the different side effects, or you can say the negative aspects of a democracy. The first one, if I talk about, as we mentioned, a very positive side of a democracy, that leaders can be changed. Clear? But do you really think the leaders can be changed if after every 5 years we are changing the government? So it is always good for a democracy. If it is good, so somehow it is bad also. Let us see how. It creates political instability. How the political instability? Today we are having this leader, इस leader ने अपनी मर्जी सारे decision ले लिए, ठीक है, and next time if after 5 years the leader will change, वो अपनी मर्जी से decisions लेंगे, जिसकी वजह से क्या होगा? Somehow it create the political instability. हमारे पास कुछ भी regular या हमारे पास static नहीं हो पा रहा है, changeable हो रहा है कुछ ना कुछ. And the next feature, if we talk about the negative thing, if we talk about the democracy, is सोचो थोड़ा सा सोचो, is your delay in decision. How the delay in decision? As in the democratic government, you know very well when we are going to take a final decision. First, we need to consult with the different ministers. There is a meeting in the parliament. Then we are going to take a final decision. Clear? So, which create delay in decision? Because if we are having a power in a single hand, ठीक है, जैसे हमारे पास साउथ कोरिया में हमारे पास पावर इन सिंगल हैंड, हमारे पास सिस्टम था, मोनार्की सिस्टम एंड डिक्टेटरशिप सिस्टम वाज देयर. So they are not going to consult with anyone. Whatever they wish to, they just take a final decision over there. So there is no delay in the decision. But ठीक है, if it is a bad and it is a good also. So delay in decision, we cannot take any immediate decision by ourselves. और क्या हो सकता है भाई इसमें? Somehow we are having political competition in our democracy. In our democracy, how? We are having n number of parties. BJP, Congress, BSP, Aam Aadmi Party, other parties are there. Clear? So in this way, political competition arises at a very high level. And to win this political competition, they start using, one of the negative impact also is the democracy is corruption, they start doing corruption, different corruption methods. पार यूज़ करने स्टार्ट करते हैं. इट मे बी मनी पार और इट मे बी मसल पार. या तो गुंडागर्दी से या पैसे देकर, ब्राइब देकर वो क्या कर सकते हैं, हमारे पास कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो इन दिस वे the negative impact, political competition, and this political competition give rise to the corruption over there. Clear? So in this way somehow we are having some negative impacts of democracy. Is there is any other aspect, negative aspect of democracy? Use your mind, let us think about. According to me, one more impact is there is bad decision. Why? How? Because when we elect the representatives, clear, some representatives used to come in contact with the general public, whereas others never show any kind of interest to come in contact with the general public. Clear? So as a result, they are not aware about the actual needs, actual demands of general public. So which results, they just take a decisions and which is not in the 100% favor of our general public. So these are the few negative impacts of our democracy. Let us have a look from a book. So guys, if you see, the first is leaders keep changing in democracy. This led to instability. लीडर्स जो है हमारे पास डेमोक्रेसी में चेंज हो रहे हैं. देयर आर नो सिंगल लीडर. ठीक है, बार बार चेंज हो रहा है, तो विच क्रिएट इंस्टेबिलिटी इन आर डेमोक्रेसी. The next we are having is democracy is all about political competition. Obviously, people are here for the political competition, as I explained you, and there is no scope of morality. Like we must have some moral values, no, for our life, for our government, for the general public. But when the competition arises, the moral values just goes down. भूल जाते हैं कि वो exactly आए क्यों हैं यहाँ पर, लोगों ने किस होप से उन्हें भेजा है. No. Next we are having is, so many people have to be consulted when they are going to take any decision. So they need to consult a lot of people over there, so which led to the delay in decisions. As well as sometimes elected leaders do not aware about the best interest of the people, and because of this led to the bad decisions in our democracy. And sometimes, not always, okay. And democracy also led to the corruption, because when we are having this political competition or the electoral competition, so it creates corruption in our democracy as well. And ordinary people, when it used to happen, when we just elect the representatives, clear, हमने कह दिया कि भाई हमारी कॉलोनी से एक बंदा आना चाहिए. Representatives are standing in front of us and they want to take a decision for us. But when they are able to get the decision, when they get the maximum and the majority of the votes. So to get maximum and the majority of the votes, these leaders start making some commitments. Some are true, some are false commitments, or you can say that some commitments are there which they are not able to fulfill. Clear? So in this way, ordinary people generally was not aware about that what is good for them. ठीक है, they just used to come in the gossips of the people, of the representatives, कि हाँ भाई ये लीडर हमें एम्प्लॉयमेंट देगा, कैसे नहीं देगा हमें नहीं पता, बट हम आ गए उनकी बातों में. क्लियर? सो इन दिस वे समटाइम व्हेन ऑर्डिनरी पीपल डू नॉट अवेयर अबाउट व्हाट इज़ गुड फॉर देम एंड व्हाट इज़ बैड फॉर देम, सो दे कैन नॉट एबल टू डिसाइड एनीथिंग. Clear? So in this way we are having some negative impacts of our democracy. But the question is not why is democracy not good. The question is why is democracy. So this is only the positive impacts we read about. Rest of the topic you just read. If anybody is not having the topic, then you just say me, I'll send you the picture. Clear? So this is all about the negative impacts we read. In my next video, I'll explain you the positive impacts of a democracy. Then you guys just find out the conclusion whether you want a democracy or not, or you want some monarchy system and other dictatorship system. Clear? So this is all about the arguments against, that means the negative aspects or the negative arguments of democracy. In my next video, we will do about the positive impacts. Till then, take care, bye-bye, read, learn the chapter carefully, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Bye.